Hello, Simon Dixon, CEO and co-founder of BnkToTheFuture.com here, and today is a very special day. Today is actually the first day that an alternative cryptocurrency or digital token or whatever you want to call it that's not Bitcoin has passed $1 billion of market cap. And for those of you that don't know, that cryptocurrency digital token is of course Ether. Ether is the cryptocurrency that powers Ethereum, and Ethereum is now the second largest blockchain in the world, and it's being used by the companies like Microsoft, IBM, many financial institutions and startups all around the world. It's used to power smart contracts and the Internet of Things, which means a contract which can actually do more than a normal contract. It can do really smart things, hence the name smart contract, and make our devices interact with financial transactions and various other programming languages, which is actually a very significant invention which is being used by lots of people right now. So today, to celebrate the fact that we now have the second $1 billion digital token or cryptocurrency, Ether, we're reopening an investment opportunity which was closed and launched last year called the EMBS, which stands for the Ether Mining Backed Security. So to give you a little background on the story, we launched this very early on in Ether's life cycle, and it seems that it was a little bit too premature and early to launch this because the community didn't know enough about Ethereum and Ether and its potential, because it wasn't very highly subscribed. But since then, Ether's grown about 300% in price and is now a $1 billion market cap, and that changes every single day. So it's been the most requested product on Bank to the Future. The funny thing is that if those who had invested back then, it would have actually been the most profitable product that we've ever launched on Bank to the Future. We've been mining since then, and the performance has been incredibly well and treated us incredibly well, with a huge degree of risk, of course, but the returns have been very lucrative for us. So the Ether mining backed security is essentially what we believe to be the easiest way of getting exposure to the growth of the Ethereum marketplace. It's open for qualifying investors only, so what I'm going to do is go through all the details for qualifying investors on the investor page. So if you're already a qualifying investor at BnkToTheFuture.com, you can head over to that investor page. If you're a new investor, then you can find out whether you qualify by clicking on the investor page and following that process. Essentially, it's a product that invests in the process of mining Ether. Ether is the cryptocurrency that powers Ethereum, that will be used in order to power all these smart contracts and Internet Thing devices. And mining is the very important task of verifying all those transactions on the blockchain and making sure and contributing to the security of that blockchain. The Ether mining backed security pays dividends every single day in Ether, so you can use it to gain exposure to Ether, or you could actually go for a slightly different strategy whereby you choose to mine Ether and receive your dividends in a different currency like Bitcoin or some of the other supported currencies like Dash or Startcoin. So it's a really interesting product, we believe, and we're bringing it back now because we think the market is ready for it, and those who missed out on the opportunity last time we launched it, there's going to be a lot more interest, I'm sure, now. So if you're a qualifying investor, we'll see you on the other side of the investor page. Thank you.
It begins as an idea, transforming into a problem that begs to be solved. Like a great cycle, each answer yields another peak. The vista promises more beautiful ends, and the new journey pushes us forward. We have our builders, our visionaries, the rebels, the troublemakers. and the dreamers. Then we arrive at a new peak, with more dreamers, more builders, a few more rebels, and of course, we still have the troublemakers. Some journeys are coming to a noble end, and some